What up, everybody? Today we're going to build a laser enclosure for, or a tether, I think that's how you pronounce it. But pretty much it's going to be 4 feet wide. It's going to have a depth of about 31 inches. And then it's going to be about 2 feet tall. So nothing too bad there, you know? But that's what I got going so far. I don't have the printer yet, again, so I'm going So I'm just going off of what I've seen people do online. And I'm hoping they're right, otherwise this is gonna be a mess to undo because it's made out of metal and I'm welding all of it with that guy right there. So I hope they did their homework, otherwise I'm kind of screwed. But let's get to welding. Oh, this is all scrap and extra pieces to reinforce it if need be. Which I don't know if I will or not because it's pretty thin 1/8 inch wood I got over there for the interior. It's gonna look cool, it's gonna look cool. All right, that's all set to weld. I got the corner there. Gonna do a nice little glob on it. All good. Contact. Contact. Just gonna rest that guy here. I hope it works. It's all lined up there. Yeah, so it looks like it bent that way a little bit from the heat from wherever. Like that's fixable. So good news. This is actually all the exact same size, both of them. It was just heat distortion. So technically, I believe this is all I gotta do. That one. See, because it shifts like that just ever so much. This one, the top one, I gotta shift the top one this way a little bit. Oh, that was almost perfect. Are you kidding me? What? Don't break the welds. 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 Oh my God, I almost have it perfect. What? Michael Cthulhu over here. One more. See, like the flex like that is not gonna matter because I'm gonna have the 4-foot bars go across. One more bend, I feel like. Don't break, don't break, don't break, don't break, don't break. Woo! Oh, it's a little much because we're right this way. A little bit, okay. Down, nope. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna get it perfect, but this, I'm happy with that. Slight bend, but hey, that's okay. As funny as this looks, it works like really well, like it's on there. So right here is the front, this side is the bottom, this will be at the top, that is the back. I don't know how well that translates to this video, but hey, here we go. Time to weld. Right now on the floor, that's the top. That little bar right there is going to be for one hinge going that way, and I am down a foot on that side. So a foot of clearance here and then a foot of clearance there. That should be big enough to get everything out, I believe. If not, this is going to suck. The reason why I don't want it bigger, this is 1/2 inch steel tubing. It's kind of flimsy, so I don't want too much weight on that thing by having it back further. So I think this is a good compromise, foot right there. I should be able to get whatever I want out of there, honestly. So we'll do it this way. I'll have enough room for everything, because then up, down, grab. Or move it around a bit and take it out. Yeah, that should work. Oh, that would have been bad. It's on grinder setting. That's it. Now it's on welding. Lamp off. Moment of truth. Yeah, buddy! Oh my god, it's taking shape. Good. I have ideas. So it doesn't look like super boxy and whatnot. I'm actually gonna put an angle piece like so. Because I can cut these things and reuse them. So this will be 13 inches. So I'd have a half an inch on either side for the window. Instead of being up here and then here, you know. So I saw some stuff online. Having it angled looked cooler than just a cube. And plus, on this side right here, on the opposite side, this thing's kind of bent inwards, so if I just cut it there and there, I shouldn't have an issue with the thing opening and shutting. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, this blade's dull. What the hell? These blades. Hang on. Got it. Alright, cool. I'm gonna measure that out, cut that same exact spot then. Or, better yet, take this guy. They're they are the exact same. Sweet. I'll mark it right there. That's what I want. Something like that. Oh, that's just about perfect. What the fuck? Well, lower there, right there. These are some of these are actually perfect size. That one's a little tall, but it ain't bad. It's like 2 millimeters off. Never mind. It's too long. Yeah, it'll give me a 1/4 inch on either side for the plexiglass. Little 2 sheets I got coming. All right, I'm gonna figure out this and then we'll be back. So I was racking my head around on how to do this properly for the door to hinge up. So what I'm gonna do, I got 2 of these pieces. I'm literally just gonna bend it to place. That's it. Start down here first and work our way up. And then I'm gonna copy it on that side. About right there, should bend. But yeah, this will be a fun process. That's for sure. So I have the line marked right here, and all I'm gonna do now is bend it to the correct angle that I think it's at. I'm gonna cross-reference it. If it's too big, too small, like angle-wise, I'll rebend it. That should be good. Not even close. So all I'm gonna do is I have my little imprints from the vise itself. I'll reline it up. Get back in there. And bend it again. Maybe right there. And then that's how thick it is. It's not fairly thick, but it's a decent sized bar. Oh, that's about on the money. Well, the angle is right. I just gotta cut about a 1/4 inch off right here. Yeah, this is what the door is gonna look like. You have one 12-inch by 12-inch plexiglass right there, and then one 12 by 24-inch plexiglass right there. And these things right here are just holding it in place. That's about as much gap as we'll have right there. Be able to cover that easily. And it's a handle. Kind of mismeasured, but it's a handle nonetheless. Got the handle here lining up directly with the hinge right there. But handle to the hinge. You do not want to look over here. That worked. Welcome to my trailer of junk. Oh, there's one. Okay, we got one bar already. There's another one at. Oh, here it is. Alright, we're good. But yeah, this is where all the metal comes from. Free 99, baby! Woo! Oh boy. I really fucked up. So, got the machine, measured it. It is just long enough for this thing. Because this guy's like 4 feet long. It's within like 3-4 inches of one side or the other, if you have it on all the edge. But here's the funny part, because I thought it was 16 inches on the inside, you know, that's where it engraves and whatnot. I thought a measly 2 feet would be enough, which is actually like 21 inches and some change. But whatever. It's not. That thing is like 25 inches wide. So I reviewed the footage and what I was doing and everything like that, and I built this wrong. In a sense of, that's about 30 inches. I built it wrong. This is supposed to be the top, not the front. That's supposed to be the front, not the top. I don't know at what point, on what day, that I was deliriously tired at 3 in the morning building this. But at some time, I did it wrong. So I have to take apart a lot of this and refinagle and rebend new metal in order to make a new door, which I thought this was so cool. That's dumb. I don't want that anymore. But I gotta find a new way to make a door and whatnot, because I glued that panel on, I glued the top panel on, and I glued the back on, and this is some strong glue liquid nails. So you're gonna watch a montage of me rebuilding it, unfucking up my design. It's gonna suck. I hope you all enjoy it. Like, it's like permanently bonded to this glue jewelry. It's almost too good. Yeah, we're gonna do some time lapses, I guess. So it is all done except for me putting the plexiglass a little bit here and there, but my time here in this garage is done. I gotta go back home and finish it there. But I have a door. Kept these latches on from the original design because they act like a stopper. So the door doesn't open up all the way, which is pretty nice. But it's a nice sturdy door. I'm glad I kept the handle, but for the most part it's all done. This is gonna be a 12 by 24 inch plexiglass, 12 by 12 plexiglass, and then just a little like 1 by 8 sheet of hardboard, what do you wanna call it. But that's the enclosure. I'm gonna put some sealant here and here, that way no smoke gets out from the top and whatnot. I'm leaving this area open right here on both sides, and then probably cut a hole or two over here for airflow. I only have like a basic fan, so nothing too crazy on that. So it's 2 feet high, 49 inches across, 31 inches depth. And honestly, I just built this for my needs of how I feel like I would use the printer. So how you guys build it will probably be different, but I'll leave like a little screen grab. If you guys like the build, do leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how you do this differently, because first time I ever made something out of, what is this, 20, 40, 60 feet, plus give or take, so like 70 feet of just pure steel. And I just made it however I felt like I should make it. So it was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya.